Nourishing Your Vocabulary. Understanding Nourish. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the word nourish. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use it, what it means, and the various contexts in which it can be applied. Let's get started. Nourish is a verb which primarily means to provide with the food or other substances necessary for growth, health, and good condition. Imagine a plant. Just as water and sunlight nourish a plant, food and love can nourish us. To understand any word better, it's always helpful to see it in context. Here are some examples. 1. Physical nourishment. We need to eat balanced meals to nourish our bodies. 2. Emotional nourishment. His kind words nourished my soul during tough times. 3. Mental nourishment. Reading books can nourish the mind. Sometimes, understanding synonyms, words with similar meanings, can give us a clearer picture. Here are some synonyms for nourish: feed, sustain, nurture, foster. For example, instead of saying, "We need to nourish our bodies," you could say, "We need to feed our bodies." To deepen our understanding, let's also look at the opposites, or antonyms, of nourish. Starve, deprive, neglect. For instance, if someone isn't getting the right nutrients, you might say they are starving, rather than being nourished. And that wraps up our journey with the word nourish. Remember, words not only convey meaning but also emotions and context. So, the next time you want to express the idea of providing sustenance or support, whether it's for the body, mind, or soul, think of the word nourish. We hope this video nourished your English vocabulary. See you next time.